Okay, welcome to Abstinent Meals and abstinentmeals.wordpress.com, and we're going to be making the abstinent wheat germ bread. First we melted 1 tablespoon of butter. Here's the wheat germ, and we're going to measure out 2 ounces. Here's about 1 ounce. It's a little bit too much, so we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of water. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to be using this little spatula to stir it and to form the bread. So I'm going to stir. Turn off my scale. I don't want to waste the battery. So it makes it like a Play-Doh type consistency. Hopefully you can see that well. So let me just mix it up a little bit more. And what we're going to do is take an 8-inch plate. The well on the inside of the plate is approximately 5 inches. So you'll have a 5-inch piece of bread. We're going to spray them with cooking spray, each one a generous amount, so that our wheat germ does not stick to the plate. And here's the wheat germ and the water and butter. I'm going to put equal portion sizes on each plate so that it comes out even as possible, and the cooking time is more accurate and the pliability is the same. And this bread is good. It's like a pita bread, a cross between a pita bread and a flat bread. And so we're just going to tap it down till we get to the edges. Usually I use the thicker piece of the two if you're a little bit off for the bottom, because it holds better together and holds the sandwich or burger or chicken patty, which is what we're going to do with it today. So this is pretty much ready for the microwave. We're going to microwave it 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, this is the wheat germ bread that has come out after 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'm just cinching the sides in again, so we have some strength to the bread on the edges. And this is going to sit for 15 minutes. Your microwave has the same settings. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and we're going to flip our bread over. We're going to gently get under the corners. It's coming up really easy because of the cooking spray, but sometimes it causes a little break in the bread. So I just do it really slow. And then this is the other one. So we're going underneath it. See, it's kind of separating a little bit. It'll be fine once it's hardened though. Okay. Get underneath it. Flip it over. So we're going to microwave this side for 1 minute for each one of them separately. So it's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Wait 15 minutes. Flip it over. And then it's 1 minute. Okay, this is our piece of bread that has been sitting for an hour. I'm going to take it out. It's pretty pliable, like a piece of bread. It's a little bit more sturdy, so it's kind of like a pita bread. Hopefully this is coming in straight. And just flip it over, and you just hold it with your sandwich or cut it in half, and just have a meal with that. In the next video, I'll be recording how to make the abstinent chicken patty. If you can, hit the subscribe button, or give me a holler. I'd love to talk to everybody. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. Hopefully it tastes good. It works out with your microwave, and everything is great. Have a great day.